Hi, welcome to Say It with Cake. Today I'm going to show you how to make a striped cake for Valentine's Day. First, I start with a metal comb, a cake comb, and I put it in some really hot water, and this is going to help me to make the stripes. So I'm going to take a frosted cake that's already been chilled 2 hours in the fridge. You want it nice and cold. So here I'm going over the cake with the cake comb. I am swiping it across the cake and I am making my stripes. I'm showing you how to make half of a cake with stripes because the other half I'm going to be doing different stripes, different colored stripes, so that's why it looks like I'm only doing half of a cake right now. So I go over the cake a bunch of times and I get my cake comb hot each time, and then when it's deep enough and smooth enough, when the stripes look good, then I finally stop. So you want the stripes to be pretty deep. You want them to be as deep as the cake comb because you're going to be scraping with a bench scraper after, and you don't want to scrape all the color off. So here's what it looks when I'm done. So now I'm filling in the absent stripes with color. I'm doing turquoise, red, and white, and I'm just filling them in. And now I'm taking my bench scraper and I'm also getting it hot, and I am going to scrape the stripes, and I'm going to keep scraping until it looks smooth. Now I piped some turquoise frosting and I went over it with a scalloped cake comb. And then I'm going to mix some sprinkles together, and I'm going to put them on the cake using the palm of my hand. So here I'm using the Wilton 8B tip. I'm making 8 swirls on top. Then I'm going to put some sprinkles on. And then after that, I'm going to use the Wilton 1M tip to make some pink swirls. So now I'm all done, and you can see the finished effect. I really love the little hearts on the sprinkles, and I also really love the 2-tier swirls with the pink and the white. I think it looks really pretty for Valentine's Day. I hope you all have a great Valentine's Day, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate it.